Stay Souls. You're watching Let's Me Confer Positivity. I am Lovely Liz. Welcome. We entered the full moon in Aries today, October 17, while I'm filming. The energy started October 15 because every time there are cosmic events, energy is active. Usually, energy is active 48 hours before and 48 hours after. This is called a full bloody moon in fiery Aries. Yan, tinatawag din itong Hunter's Moon. This full moon's energy is about taking action or initiative, urging you to act, not afraid to make a decision for yourself, to leave the old and start with the new. Parang it's stepping to your own power, embracing your inner strength. Kumbaga, binibigyan tayo ng tapang nitong full moon na to. Tapang para harapin yung mga bagay na dapat na nating i-release or kalimutan na sa buhay natin or pakawalan at magsimula ng bagong yugto. Yan, ganun ka-powerful ang full moon na to. You can be leaving the job that you hate, leaving the house that you're not comfortable or happy with, dahil feeling mo hindi ka belong sa mga kasama mo, ganyan. Or leaving a toxic relationship. Yan. Gaya ng mga nagdaang cosmic events na nabanggit ko sa past videos na ginawa ko, it's releasing or leaving the old and starting a new chapter. Now, it's time for us to think. Should I stay in a job where I am not happy? Ganon. Should I stay in a relationship that is toxic? Yan. It's all about choosing ourselves to live happily, to create. The Aries energy is giving us green light. It's time for us to decide. Kumbaga, meron tayong go signal. Yun, para din siyang death energy, just like other cosmic events recently. Ending and birth of something new. There's another explanation about death energy. Kasi diba, yung iba, whenever they hear death energy, parang natatakot sila. Pero, hindi naman to literal na death. It's only the energy. I heard this from Miss Tina Wong, isa sa magagaling na spiritual coaches, na death energy is all about life's lesson. Yan, sinisimbolo ng death is life. How do we spend our lives in this world? Are we making the most out of it? Parang ganon. Then I heard, when I heard about this, naisip ko na this is to remind us to value this life. That we can create our lives the way we want it to. And that way, we can find contentment and happiness, even peace. Finding our soul purpose. Yan. For example, ito kasi yung madaling i-example, yung job. For example, you are in a job that you hate, where you are in a survival mode. Ano ulit yung survival mode? Nabanggit ko na to sa very first video na ginawa ko. Ito yung work, bayad bills, bayad utang, then doing everything to make ends meet. Kumbaga, pinagkakasya mo hanggang sa next payday, yung kita mo. Tapos repeating cycle lang. Yan yung isa sa mga explanation about survival mode. And a lot of us are living that way. Yes, you're doing this to help the family. Maganda yung hangarin mo. Makaraos, kumita. However, it's giving you stress. Kasi hindi ka happy sa ginagawa mo. para kang nakakahon sa paulit-ulit na cycle. So, pinipilit mo na lang yung sarili mo gawin yung mga bagay na dahil sa mga obligations. Or pwedeng different situation. You like your job pero feeling mo pa rin it's not making you grow. You feel stuck. Kasi ilang years ka na sa company pero you're doing the same thing. Yan. Di ba minsan as a soul living on earth, parang mapapatanong ka, ito na ba yung purpose ko sa buhay? Yan. Lalo na kung feeling mo walang expansion. Which is, hindi maganda sa pakiramdam. Kapag ganito yung pakiramdam natin, it's like living in a low vibrational frequency where getting abundance, prosperity, or happiness is a challenge. Possibly you're attracting stress because you are stressed. Yung mga bagay na sinasabi ko, it shows na kapag yung passion mo ang pipiliin mo na gawin sa buhay, we will start to live in a high vibrational frequency where you can attract more abundance, more prosperity, and more happiness effortlessly. Yan. Kasi nga 'di ba, nasa high frequency tayo kapag masaya tayo, nasa creative mood tayo, and we love what we do. Yan. Okay, so for me, these cosmic events are pushing us to choose ourselves. It's choosing to live your best life in this lifetime. You're choosing to be high vibrational soul. You're choosing to be a high vibrational soul on this planet na siyang gusto ni God para sa atin. I know it's easier said than done. These are just reminders. It is always a choice. If you're choosing creativity, pwede mong balikan yung inner child mo. Alalahanin mo ano ba yung gustong-gusto mong gawin or gustong-gusto mong maging nung bata ka pa. Then, alamin mo ano ba yung mga gifts or talents na meron ka. Para finally, you can start doing your own thing. Your own passion. Earn from it. Yan. And be happy with your life. Sa toxic relationship naman, if you're feeling na you're not yourself anymore, dahil ubos ka na, tapos kasi nga abused ka emotionally and mentally ng narcissist, manipulative partner mo, yan, this is just to remind na you can always choose yourself, na may ibang option, kung saan pwede kang maging malaya at maging tunay na maligaya. Yan. We are all living with the universal law. Whether you believe it or not, we're living under the universal law. If you're happy, you will attract more happiness. If you're miserable, you'll attract another misery, another reason para maging miserable. Yan. Because we are energy. What you focus on expands. Where your attention goes, energy flows. Like for example, kung kukonsumihin mo yung sarili mo sa mga pagsubok na kinakaharap mo, lalo ka pang nag-a-attract ng chaos. Yan. Like attracts like. Better focus on the bright side and lessons that these challenges are teaching you to attract solutions. Yan. Ang dapat nating aralin how to be in the frequency of our desires para yun ang mag-manifest. Imbes na negative or yung mga hindi natin gusto ang mag-manifest. Yan. Kumbaga kabaligtaran. One more thing, why do these cosmic events keep on giving us realizations? Why these cosmic events pushing us to leave the old chapter that no longer serves us? Why do these planets, why does the moon keep on projecting the energy of death? Okay. So, di ba nakakapaisip siya? These cosmic events, iisa lang yung message. Ipinaparating sa atin ang kahalagahan ng buhay. That we should choose ourselves. We should choose to live in a high vibration. Leaving things, situations, relationships that no longer serve our highest good. Yan. These cosmic events are trying to remind us of our purpose. Yan. On this planet. Bakit nga ba tayo nasa mundong to? Tinanong mo na ba yung sarili mo tungkol dito? Marami sa atin hindi na naiisip yan kasi sobra tayong busy. Paano kumita? Sa ganitong paraan kasi tayo nakaprogram para hindi na natin alamin yung mga bagay na to. Para hindi na tayo mag-abala, alamin ang katotohanan. Ano ba talaga yung pinagmulan ko? Bakit nga ba ako nasa mundong to? Diba? Masyado tayong focus sa material things dito sa fast-paced 3D world. Yung iba sa atin, hindi ko nilalahat Hindi ko nilalahat. Some are hustling para may pang-post sa SOCMED. Yan. To show people that they're living a perfect life. Parang lahat sa social media, di ba? Parang perfect ng buhay. Di ba? There's nothing wrong with it. It's fine. You worked hard for it. You worked hard to buy those luxury items. You worked hard. You worked hard para makapag-travel, diba? Pero ang tanong, sa likod ng mga larawan na yan, may perpektong buhay nga ba talaga? Okay. So, kaya ako sinasabi to, I want to let you know na we're not here to impress others. Kung hindi man perfect yung buhay na meron ka, huwag ka mag-alala kasi hindi mo kailangang magpa-impress. We're not here to impress others. We are here on earth to learn and to discover things about ourselves. Know our soul purpose. Yan. Discover where we really came from. Yun talaga yung purpose natin dito. We have to connect to God, the divine, to the universe every day by meditating or doing meditation. One thing that I discovered, if you're not meditating, you're missing a lot in your life. Yan, ganyan kahalaga ang pag-meditate. We're also here for one another. Hindi tayo nandito sa mundo para magpaligsahan, para magkanya-kanya. We're here to unite. Use our hearts to be the center of everything so that we can spread love, light, and positivity to one another. We are also here to connect to Mother Nature because our Mother Earth is alive and very sad. Yes, malungkot si Mother Earth because the energy that a lot of people possess is just a burden to her. Negative energy makes our beloved Mother Earth ugly Kaya siya natutuyo. Yan. You want to know the truth about these cosmic events? These cosmic events are helping Mother Earth, our planet, to receive the energies needed so that Mother Earth can shift from 3D to 5D, whether we like it or not. Yes, third dimension to fifth dimension. And FYI, the shift is already happening. Kung si Mother Earth ang masusunod, ayaw niya tayong isama sa shift na to. Oo. Pero may mga taong bukas ang puso at kaisipan na makakaramdam at makakaranas ng mga pagbabagong ito. Sila yung mga nakakaramdam ng epekto ng mga cosmic events na ito. And these people are turning into a high vibrational soul on earth. Yan. Yes, they are high vibrational souls. That's why they are chosen to experience that. Sila yung mga hindi na nakakaramdam ng mga negativities. Hindi na sila nakakapag-isip ng masama laban sa kapwa, ganyan. High vibrational. That's why they are chosen to experience that. Check yourself. You can be one of them. Maaring andito ka sa video na to not by accident, but because you're meant to know all these things, because you are one of them. I'll promise to make a separate video about 3D and 5D Earth, and also about those chosen few. Yes, I'll make a separate video for that. Now, presently, if you feel that you love your life, you're happy, you love what you're doing and earning from it, money flows abundantly to your life, you have freedom, you share blessings as well, you don't judge anyone, you're spreading positivity to others. If this is the case, I want to congratulate you. It only means na you're on the right path. Yan ang totoong best life. It may not be perfect because sometimes you have to face obstacles. Pero ready ka naman na harapin anuman yung pagsubok at hindi ka magpapadaig sa kung anumang challenges. You always look at the bright side in any You always look for the bright side in any situation. Tapos, ano pa ba? You treat challenges as lessons learned. Yan, instead of treating them as problems. Kapag ganyan yung pananaw mo, ganyan na yung nararamdaman mo, I truly congratulate you. You're in high vibration. You're in the right path. Yan. Our God, the Divine, wants us to live on a high vibrational frequency where we are loved, happy, creative, and at peace. Where we spread our love and light to one another. Higit sa lahat, meron tayong puso na puno ng gratitude, puno ng appreciation. Yan talaga yung gusto ni God for us. Remember that we are co-creating our lives with God. Imagine if we are all high vibrational souls living on this planet. Ang bongga ng mundo. Magiging napakaganda nito because we all have love in our hearts and projecting light to one another. magkakaroon ng pagkakapantay-pantay. Ganon. Hindi na, imagine kung karamihan sa atin, kung halos tayong lahat hindi na mag-iisip ng masama sa kapwa. Imagine pag wala ng kasakiman, wala ng puot, diba? Because those are low vibrational. Diba? So, positive energy is what our planet needs. It may sound impossible. Yes, I know. But we can always be positive about it. Who knows? Kung nakarating ka sa puntong ito ng video, maraming salamat. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And then, kung nakarelate ka, pwede mo din i-share yung experience mo sa comment section. Yan. At babasahin po natin yan. Please consider subscribing na rin. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get an update once we have a new video. Okay, once again, thank you so much. I am Lovely Liz, sending you my love and light.